Hello, my name is Sam, and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to delete recently played on Spotify. To start, open your Spotify application in your mobile device. Once on Spotify, tap on the gear icon on the upper right. And then here, scroll down. In here, over at Social, you'll need to turn off listening activity and then turn on private session. Once done, close settings. Now close your Spotify and then head on over and open your settings application in your mobile device. Once you are now in settings, scroll down and then head on over to apps. Over at apps, in here, use the search bar on the upper right. And then search for Spotify. Then open Spotify. In here, click on Force Stop on the bottom right. Then click OK. Then go to Storage and then tap on Clear Cache. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.